Hello, lovely friends. You're welcome to another lovely, exciting edition of Easy Maths Tutor. And today we are going to solve a problem involving composite functions. The function f is defined as f of x equal to x squared minus 1. Find an expression for f of x minus 2. Solution. Before we go right ahead, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. First of all, we'll write f of x is equal to x minus 1, and then we'll replace the value of x as x minus 2 in the above equation. So instead of x squared, we'll write x minus 2 bracket square minus 1. Expanding this bracket, we're going to have x squared minus 2, x minus 2x plus 4 minus 1, which is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 3. Therefore, the expression for f of x minus 2 is x squared minus 4x plus 3. And now b, we are solving for f of x minus 2 equal to 0. So that means we will have a quadratic equation x squared minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0 to find the values of x. First of all, we'll find two factors of plus 3, which we'll multiply to give us plus 3 and add to give us minus 4. And those factors are minus 1 and minus 3. So we'll write x squared minus x minus 3x plus 3. Remember, the coefficients are minus 1 and minus 3. And so going right ahead to solve this quadratic equation, we will add the brackets. Place the brackets. So we have bracket x squared minus x bracket close minus bracket open 3x plus 3x minus 3 bracket close equal to 0. And then we factorize. The first bracket will have x bracket x minus 1. The second bracket is minus 3 bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. And then we will sieve out the common factors, which is x minus 3 bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. And there we have the values of x as 3 and 1. Another problem for composite functions. The function f is defined such that f of x is equal to x for x plus 1. Find the inverse of the function. That is f raised to the power minus 1 of x. Solution. First of all, we'll write f of x equal to 4x minus 1, and then we'll replace f of x as y. So we will have y equal to 4x minus 1, which is our step 2. The next thing, we're going to make x the subject of the formula. And that's our step 3. Making x subject of the formula, we will have, we'll move minus 1 to the other side of y, which will give us y plus 1. So we have y plus 1 equal to 4x. And then for us to have only x standing alone, we will divide both sides by 4. So we have y plus 1 all over 4 equal to x. And then we have the expression for x, which is y plus 1 all over 4. That is our step 4. And then for our step 5, to get the inverse, we write f raised to the power minus 1 of x equal to, now the expression for the subject of the formula of x is y plus 1 over 4, but we are going to replace y with x because the function is a function of x. So therefore, the inverse of this function is x plus 1 over 4. And there we have it. So the next problem we're solving for this b part, the function g is defined such that g of x is equal to kx squared. Find f of g of 2 equal to 12. Solution. Now the solution. We'll first of all write f of g of x. First of all, fg of x. Fg of x is the same thing as f of g of x, meaning f is a function of g of x. So we'll look for the function of x, original function of x, which is f of x equal to 4x minus 1. So looking at this function of f of x as 4x minus 1, we'll write 4f of gx as, we'll replace the value of x in f of x for the value of g of x, which is kx squared. So we have 4 bracket kx squared minus 1, and simplifying it further, we will have 4k brackets 2 raised to power 2 minus 1. Remember, the value of x is 2 for the problem that we are solving here today. Remember, f of g of 2 is equal to 12. So we substitute the value of x as 2 in f of g, and then we will have 4k bracket 2 square minus 1, which is the same thing as 4 times 4k minus 1. 4 times 4k minus 1 gives us 16k minus 1. And then we're going to equate it. F of g of 2 is 16k minus 1 equal to 12. So finding the value of k, we're going to move minus 1 to the other side, giving us 16k equal to 12 plus 1 equal to 13. Then we're left with 16k equal to 13. Making k subject of the formula, we would have 13 over 16 as our value of k. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.